As you're preparing to go to a trade show, a conference, a seminar, a symposium, any kind of event where you're going to meet lots of different people, you want to make sure that you're ready to use LinkedIn effectively during the event. First of all, move your LinkedIn app out of whatever grouping you have on your cell phone, whether it's an Android or iPhone, and put that LinkedIn app on the front page of your device. So when you turn it on, boom, right there it is. Easy for you to get to it quickly so you can use the app when you're out and about. Now you're going to want to connect with people when you're at the event. I get that. You want to connect with people who are relevant to you, and if they're at that event, they're relevant to you. So don't waste time doing this. You meet someone, you hear someone speak, they're the keynote speaker, you bump into somebody at the lunch line, you got their name. When you can, when polite, and so you're not doing it while someone is talking to you, go to your LinkedIn app, look for them by their first name, their last name, and maybe the first word of their company. And then when you find them, go to their profile, verify it's the right person, and then do not click the connect button. Instead, click the three dots, click personalized invite, and send them an invitation using text and a polite, friendly message, and reference the fact that you were at the conference with them. Now, let's say you run into somebody, you see somebody, you hear somebody you know you're already connected with on LinkedIn. Do a search for them. Again, first name, last name, maybe the first word of their company, and click on the search for them. You don't need to go all the way into their LinkedIn profile. On the mobile app, from the search results, you can click message right there. You can send them a message, a video, maybe a picture you took of them, presenting whatever is relevant and appropriate, and you can send them a message from again, the search results. Now, you're at an event, you hear a great speaker, you hear a great conversation, you want to do a LinkedIn post. You could do this from your mobile app, but make sure you don't get distracted from the conversation that's going on or the presentation, because there's a lot of great content yet for you to hear from these guys. But you could take the picture, you do a quick little video, you could write down some notes on a napkin or a piece of paper, and then after the presentation, or when appropriate, maybe at the between sessions or at the end of the day, now you can sit down and take your time and craft a really good LinkedIn post, put the image, put the video, and double check your spelling and your grammar so you don't make a ridiculous mistake. Here are a couple little bonuses that may help you as well. When you're traveling to a conference, go into LinkedIn and see who you know in that city. Maybe there's a few people you'd like to meet that you're already connected with on LinkedIn. Reach out to them and see if you can arrange coffee, sweet tea, or soda 30. And when you send a LinkedIn invite to someone that you met at this event, you might want to use a hashtag or some note to remind you that you met that person at the conference. That'll pay big dividends later on when you're looking at that person and wondering, where did I meet them? Again, you could use the hashtag in not only the LinkedIn invite, but the LinkedIn messaging. And then later, you could go to your LinkedIn messaging, do a search for that hashtag, and pull up all the LinkedIn messages you sent to everybody regarding that event. If you collect business cards, here's another suggestion. Process them appropriately afterwards. Add them to your personal contacts because they are a human that you have met in real life. Send them an email, let them know you enjoyed meeting them, and follow through on whatever conversation is appropriate or potential conversation. Look for them on LinkedIn, follow through with a LinkedIn invite. And after you connect with these folks, follow through with a phone call, a text message, a business email, or if you have to, a LinkedIn message. Don't just connect and ignore them. Lots of great tips. I hope they're beneficial to you when you go to your next symposium, your next trade show, and you want to use your LinkedIn mobile app. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, coach, and enthusiast. Take care.